In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix unable to access document issue on Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to open the document without permission errors, either by requesting access from the owner or, if you own the file, by adjusting the sharing settings and sending the correct link. First, check your internet connection. Look at your Wi-Fi or network icon and quickly open a new browser tab to load any website, like Google. If the page doesn't load, reconnect to your network, then return to the Google Drive tab. A stable connection ensures the access page updates correctly. Next, refresh the page. Click the browser's reload button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This forces Google Drive to recheck your permissions and can resolve temporary glitches. Now, yes, make sure you're logged into the correct account. In the top right of the Google Drive or Google Docs page, click your profile picture or initial. Check the email address shown there. If it's not the account that was granted access, click Switch Account and select the correct one. If you don't see it, sign in with the account that should have access. Once you're on the right account, return to the Document tab. Click Request Access. On the You Need Permission or Unable to Access C screen, select Request Access. If there's a message box, you can type a short note to the owner for context, then click Send. You'll see a confirmation that your request was sent. Wait for owner approval. The owner must grant you permission before you can open the file. You'll receive an email when access is approved. Keep the link handy, and once you get the approval email, open the document again from that link. If you own the file, continue with the next steps to change who can open it. This is helpful when people you've shared the link with still see you need permission. Open file permissions. Go to drive.google.com, locate your file, and right-click it. Click Share. If the file is already open in Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you can also click the blue Share button in the top right. This opens the sharing settings for the file, set to anyone with the link or specific people. In the sharing window, find the General Access section. If you want anyone who has the link to open the file, change it to anyone with the link. To keep it safe, set the role to viewer unless you specifically want people to comment or edit. If you prefer to limit access, choose specific people instead. In that case, type the email addresses of the people who need access and choose their role, and click Send. Don't worry, changing to viewer or adding specific people won't expose your file publicly. It only grants access as you define it. Reshare the link. If you set it to anyone with the link, click the copy link to grab the updated shareable link. Then paste and send that link to your recipients, for example, an email or chat. If you added specific people by email, they'll receive an invitation automatically, but it's still a good idea to reshare the link so they can open it directly. Make sure you're sending the exact link you just copied from the sharing dialog to avoid older restricted links. At this point, the unable to access document issue on Google Drive should be resolved. If you requested access, I'll open the document once the owner approves. If you're the owner, people using your updated link or added emails should now be able to open the file without permission errors. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.